there might be one way where you and this coyote might not be so different. It's because coyotes are monogamous.
It's actually pretty rare in mammals for species to be monogamous, and coyotes are shown to be not just socially monogamous, but in many cases also genetically monogamous.
And why that's important is because through studying coyotes, we might be able to learn about grief in humans.
I've been able to establish a newly funded program to research the hormones and brains and behavior involved in the formation and maintenance of these bonds and find out what's going on in the brain and the body when an animal might be experiencing what we would call grief.
To study this, Sara enlisted the help of the USDA and the Millville Predator Research Facility.
It's really the only place in the world where we have a large colony of captive coyotes that are available for research.
They first used these coyotes by testing to see how they reacted to a partner versus a stranger, to understand how they establish a relationship, or here at the facility, re-establish one after a partner may have died. Now the researchers will examine the coyotes' brains to see how the receptors for certain chemicals are affected by the relationships and the loss of them.
Specifically, corticotropin-releasing factor, so CRF, is a neuropeptide hormone that is expressed in stress. We compared the abundance of these receptors in both widowed and female coyotes to see if there's any specific differences in terms of this hormone in the brain tissue of coyotes.
The hope is that through this research we might find new methods for treating or coping with grief and loss. And undergraduates here at USU are playing a large role in helping support this work.
I came into Sara's lab and I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and then within about 3 weeks I was researching PhD programs in neuroscience. Getting to be in the lab has just convinced me I want to be in the lab forever.